a breakfast recipe designed by nutritionists to melt belly fat. These days, many people are trying to fix their diets, and they are looking for the best healthy way of eating there is. However, no matter how healthy your daily menu may be, if you skip the breakfast, all is lost. The thing is that your breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and a great lot depends on whether you consume it or not. It is true that most of us do not have a lot of time at their disposal to prepare breakfast, and that is what we wish to help you with. The recipe we have in mind is not only tasty and nutritious, but it is also easy to prepare. And it eliminates the belly fat, the worst kind of fat many people are dealing with. To succeed with the recipe, there's nothing much you are going to need. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Prunes. Number 2. Oatmeal. Number 3. Ground flaxseed. Number 4. Kefir. Number 5. Cocoa powder. The reason why it is special is that you have to make it in the evening, so that you do not waste time on preparation in the morning. Number 1. Pour boiling water over the prunes and let them steep for about 5 minutes. Number 2. Place the prunes into blender all together with all the other ingredients. Number 3. Place the mixture into the fridge and leave it overnight. Number 4. Take it out in the morning and enjoy. What does this kind of breakfast do? The hitting is that if you consume this breakfast on a regular basis, you will notice that your body starts working like a clock. That is due to the fact that your bowels will be freed of all the waste and toxins, as well as your metabolism will have a boost every morning. All that combined together will have more than positive effect not only on your health but also on your figure. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.